You may have been wondering, how can I clone my voice or clone a similar voice that I have permission to use? Well, with Voice Cloner AI, you can do just that, and you can do even more by reusing those voices, using them in different languages and more. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through Voice Cloner AI and all that it has to offer. You log in with your email and your password. And there you can see on your dashboard, you can clone your voice. You can see the total number of campaigns you've created, the total speakers you have, and the total characters. You can take a look at speech, voices, campaigns, bonuses, tutorials, and white label. Let's clone our voice. When you clone your voice, you can see previously cloned voices, and you can choose to delete them or reuse them. Then you can add a generative or a clone voice. Because I've already created one, normally when you create one, you have to give permission. You record a video saying, I give permission for my voice to be used for specific purposes. So we enter our name. We can drag and drop an audio file here, or we can choose to record audio directly to Video Clone AI. So when we click the mic to start recording, we can start recording and choose or say whatever we want to say. As you can see from what is said, the quality of the sample is more crucial than the quantity. Noisy samples will produce poor results, and uploading more than 30 seconds of audio may decrease the quality. So try as much as possible to be in that time and to also be as clear and concise as possible. So you can listen to that again. So when we click the mic to start recording, we can start recording and choose. I think we're satisfied with that. We include a label for that. When we're done, we can include a description. Then we accept the terms and we create a speaker. When you're done creating a speaker, you can choose to use that speaker. And this is in our speech tab. Previously, we were in the voices tab where we could see all the voices that are at our disposal. Now we're in the speech tab. And the speech synthesis, we can create text that we want to use. So let's just include the text. And we can select a voice, whichever one we want to use. Select the language we want that voice to be in, and we can generate speech. When we're done generating speech, our speech will be created, and once it's done, it will be sent to our email, or you can wait a while for it to be played and made available for you. So we can take a look at campaigns. You can see that it has completed already, and this is the previous one. We can play the current one.
Welcome to Software Safari, your product review's trusted YouTube channel.
You can see that it's not so perfect, but as you continue and improve the quality of your recorded voice, the campaign or your output will be better. You can choose to download it, or you can choose to copy it to clipboard. You can also choose to delete it. Next, we have bonuses, where other bonuses come accompanied with Voice Cloner AI for you to use. We have tutorials which will explain and give you depth breakdown of how to use Voice Cloner AI to the best of your advantage. And also we have white label. And on white label, you can change your domain and branding settings. You can choose your brand name, your domain name, support URL, demo URL, your fav icon, and your logo. And also, you can always take a look at your account, your profile, your password, the privacy, and you can choose to log out. As you can see, Voice Cloner AI is a very useful tool. It has a lot of benefits, and over time, you can improve the quality to make sure that one voice can be used for multiple instances. You can use this for Instagram, you can use this for your social media channels, and many more. A link to Voice Cloner AI is in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.